Hello again, it's Noob, and what we have here is it's an older Yale Padlock 60mm brass body, and I'm reticent to say vintage because I think it's from around the 1980s, which I don't really think is vintage yet, is it? I don't know. Either way, it's a nice body style which Yale don't really make anymore, and I quite like the kind of blue outline on the letterings there. This was lent to me by my good friend Yukov, so thank you Yukov for lending me this lock. The key is really quite nice as well. Again, sort of a vintage style to it. Very good bitting actually. 5 pins. Very low cut pin 1, then 2, 3, and then rising all the way up to 4, and then a medium cut pin 5. Lots of spools inside this one. I picked it a couple of times. Very spooly, very nice lock. It's got a nice spring on the core there, so sprung core. Very strong shackle spring. Not that it makes a difference to picking, but it is. And a sprung double pull mechanism at the top, so it is shimmerable, but still a fun lock to pick. Right, picking it, we will probably use a combination of picks, but I'm going to start off with a Sparrow's short hook and a bottom of the keyway tension. So there you go. You see the spring on that core there. Make sure that got a nice bit of tension. Sparrow's so that's a high HD. Let's start with the short hook to begin with. See what we can get. 5, 3, 2, but overset 2, I think. That's 3. Okay, back to pin 4 now. Pin 5. Very odd feedback in this lock, I have to say, but kind of fun trying to read it. That's pin 2 again. Sort of playing that spool ping pong. Might just flick over to that high HD now. 25 thousandths again. Pin 4, little click. 3 there. All seems kind of set. Back to the last pin 5, and we are open. Wow, what a cool lock. Very, very spooly. These Yales are awesome. Love to see inside. Do they feel like spools? Could they have been the classic Yale mushroom pins? Hard to know, but I don't think Yukov would like me to get a saw onto this and find out. So anyway, I hope you found that interesting. Really, really nice lock to pick. I can't stress that enough. Just really, really good fun to pick. Alright, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all next time.